oh man, what a spring we have had. This is May 29th. Welcome to Rooster's World. I ain't working on nothing. I just want to talk to you a second. I appreciate all of you reaching out to me this month. I'm overwhelmed with how many people are concerned about me. I just want to check on me, say hello, and every one of them seems to have the same message. And I'm grateful. Man, I'm so blessed to have so many people to reach out and want to say hello and say they're thinking about me this month, May. There's only 3 days left. And, you know, and I'm lucky to have what I got going on, man. It's so much, I enjoy everything I'm doing here, man. I've been keeping quite busy, enjoying every day. Man, aren't you? Listen to this rain coming down. Has this been unusual weather? Doggone. May 29th. Man, it's cool out here. So I thought I'd just take a minute out of my day and thank everyone for the emails, the messages, the Facebook reaching out. It means a lot to me. And so by y'all making sure it was made aware to me, I thought maybe I'd take this opportunity to not only thank y'all, but maybe mention it to the people out there who might need it. May is Mental Health Month. I know it because I got quite a few messages about it this month. I promise, I'm good, man. Smiling, all's well.